Dear listener, this is Wasim from ittechbd.com. Today I am going to show you how to DHCP server setting in TP-Link router. Open your browser, write your router IP address, then press enter. Come login page, click sign in. Then click DHCP. First, you need understand what is DHCP. DHCP means Dynamic Host Control Protocol. This is dynamically IP given you selected PC. The example start IP I give here 100 and end to 199. So dynamically 99 PC IP provide DHCP server. So DHCP means Dynamic Host Control Protocol. So you can give how many you want to device connect, then you can give. This is our LAN IP 192.168.137.100. Then 192.168.137.199. That means 99 device can connect with this router. This is default gateway. Your LAN IP is your default gateway. This is optional, but you give this one. Primary DNS, secondary DNS also optional, but if you give this primary DNS and secondary DNS, your data cannot lost and your spirit maybe will good, I think. Then you give primary DNS, control B, secondary DNS. This is same like this when we are set up a static IP. This is internet service ISP service provider company given me this DNS. Now primary DNS and secondary DNS number. So what is the DNS? DNS means domain name system. Then you can enable, check, then click save. Then click OK. Now come red color. You see, you read the change of DHCP config will not take effect until the device reboot. Please click here to reboot. If we do not reboot our router until DHCP not working. So click here, again click reboot, then click OK. Now restarting our router. Step by step full episode I will show you. Only you follow step by step, then you can change setting, configure and security. Everything you can learn by this tutorial. TP-Link section. Again you need connect. You give first click refresh, not come, then go to your IT Tech BD, click, then click connect. Checking network requirement because password checking. Before we already given password, then connected. So dear listener, our DHCP server setting already complete. If you follow goodly, then you can easily can handle and setting your DHCP in Tifilin. If you feel any problem, please comment me. I will try to solve your problem. If you benefited from this tutorial, please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.